delay, I am about to start Desi Diwar on air. Good morning, Sonal. How are you doing this morning?
Good morning, Neetu. Doing very well. Thank you so much. Thank you so
And
much for having me. Thank you to Radio Hot Pepper for having me.
and always in a puppy and a very joyful mood आप आती हैं और हमारे शो की शुरुआत
I
करती हैं.
have to be morning चाहे दिल से और peppy mood में ना आए कोई ऐसा हो सकता है.
Thank you so much.
किसकी जरूरत?
आपका भी रिकॉर्ड लगा दूंगी मैं.
नहीं
बिल्कुल
आरजे नीतू से मैच तो करना ही पड़ेगा, right?
Thank you
so
so much.
nice and chirpy and always positive.
Thank you so much. Truly appreciate it, Sonal. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who just tuned in, let me quickly tell you we are going to be in communication with Sonal Kulshrestha, the founder of Desi Diwar, for the next 1 hour. So studio का number है 8174681220. And today's topic, Sonal, हमारे listeners को बताएं आज का topic.
It's 2015 Bollywood Roundup. So yeah, definitely आप लोग सब लोग कॉल करिए, अपने thoughts and opinion शेयर कीजिए and 2015 के आपके favorite songs request करिए. We would like that very much.
Wonderful. And 2015 के बहुत सारे अभी और गाने भी मेरे पास ऑलरेडी रिक्वेस्ट भी आई हुई हैं, तो वो भी मैं आपके लिए प्ले करूंगी अभी ड्यूरिंग माय शो एज वेल. सो हो सकता है पूरे के पूरे गाने ना लगा पाऊं, सो इसके लिए थोड़ी सी माफी चाहूंगी आप लोगों से, लेकिन कोशिश करूंगी कि एटलीस्ट आपको खुश कर सकूं थोड़ा सा. ऑलराइट, दिसंबर is the last month of the year, ladies and gentlemen. आपको भी पता है, सोनल आपको भी पता है. तो इस महीने में let's do this Bollywood roundup thing. और बॉलीवुड ऑफ कोर्स हिंदी मूवीज के साथ शुरुआत होती है हमारी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दोस. सो टेल अस द मस्ट वॉच जो मूवीज ऑफ 2015 है, कौन सी ऐसी मूवीज जिनके बारे में हम बात कर सकते हैं?
हाँ, Neetu, so we have heard that the Salman Khan starrer Bajrangi Bhaijaan topped the 2015 movie list, right? With crossing 300 crore rupees mark. And then again, second Salman Khan starrer again, the Prem Ratan Dhan Payo, took the number 2 spot with crossing 200 crore mark, right? But at Desi Diwar, we like to focus on must-watch family entertainment movies that bring more than entertainment value, value to us, right? Because movies are very powerful medium of education, right, for our kids. It has all these perfect forms of illustrations, complete with lessons learned. Right. So because of that, and also we love movies that provide excellent opportunities for us to have varied kind of discussions with our kids. Right. So now, of all the movies released in 2015, we picked our favorite 8 that fit the bill for us. Right? So, and I'll go in chronological order. Starting with Baby, the January Akshay Kumar release. Right?
Definitely.
Now, that provides education on international terrorism. Right? About how deep rooted the problem is. About the extent of funding they have. About the perspective of different countries involved. Right? And also the movie depicts the challenges that the police force faces in fighting terrorism. An army faces to fight terrorism, right? Their limitations, the enormous danger that they are exposed to, and yet in the face of it all, the undying patriotism and the admirable courage, right? So that I thought was really very well depicted.
Definitely.
And second on the list, Gabbar. Gabbar is back.
Gabbar is back.
Again, a Akshay Kumar starrer, and it was a May release of this year. Now, this movie, the story delineates the deep-rooted corruption in different forms of government in India. Right? In different forms of government bodies, hospitals, everywhere.
Corruption to is there.
And especially for Indians outside of India, the movie is educational for our kids. Because we are constantly telling our kids about corruption in India, and living here, they don't really see it in a day-to-day basis, right? And whereas when we talk about it, it's just a concept to them, right? Watching this movie really and seeing corruption depicted in its ugliest form, right, was a very, oh really, this happens too moment for them. And it was this movie pretty much covers it all.
Oh, really?
In its ugliest form.
I have not seen this movie, but I think I have heard about the reviews and all, and as you are saying,
yeah, it is a must-watch, really.
Really,
and also it kind of pays tribute to the Sholay movie too. Gabbar is back.
Oh, yes.
So it has all these little references to Sholay. That is actually interesting.
Okay.
And you might want to show your kid Sholay first.
And
then watch
so they can relate the dialogues, the famous dialogues.
It's like corruption and little humor from Sholay.
Okay.
So it's actually a good mix of it. And Akshay Kumar has done a fabulous job.
Always. He
always.
does
Right. So the third movie on the list is Dil Dhadakne Do. It was a June release.
Yes.
And it is a must-watch movie with your teenagers.
Acha.
Discuss with them the relationship with spouse, with parents, with siblings, and also drive home the importance of speaking your mind, making the right choices, getting out of unhappy situations. And I watched this movie with my teenage daughter, and I talked about marriage, I talked about relationship with her. I told her to never depend on a man to provide her a world of happiness, right? I told her, create your own world of joy and then find a deserving partner to share it with. Right? How important that is.
True.
Right?
Very true.
So things like that. And movies provide that way of opening up and really discussing it, right?
Especially with your children.
With your children.
Issues, yes.
And without kids feeling, okay, is mommy talking about me? Right? So it gives a very neutral ground to discuss all these things with.
And it makes it easier for us to, start that communication kind of a thing with our kids.
Exactly.
Because sometimes there is that kind of a hesitation. You've done this topic also beforehand on our show.
Right. In different forms, we have talked of this before.
Absolutely. Because there is that kind of a hesitation. Sometimes, even if we are from that old school parent style, we may feel like, नहीं ऐसे कैसे बच्चों के साथ बात कर सकते हैं,
बातें करें, है ना, खुद सीख जाएंगे, जिंदगी सिखा देती है.
बट कई बार जिंदगी भी काफी चीजें नहीं सिखाती. अगर हम उनको अपने एक्सपीरियंस से उनको कुछ सिखा सकते हैं, आई थिंक दैट विल क्रिएट सम काइंड ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर अराउंड देम एंड दे विल क्रिएट दे विल फील सिक्योर अबाउट.
और ये बहुत जरूरी है कि ऐसे टॉपिक्स भी अपने बच्चों के साथ लाना है ना.
Absolutely.
So next on our list is Bajrangi Bhaijaan. It was a July release. Right. So this is quite simply put, in my opinion, the best India-Pakistan movie ever made to date.
Absolutely.
It's away from the terrorism plot directly, and yet its consequences shown in way of distrust and strain in the relationship between the two countries.
Right? Absolutely.
So in all previous movies made on the theme, I feel the goal appears to generate sympathy or maybe lessen the distress for the people of Pakistan in the hearts of Indians.
Yes.
Right? But in this movie, I feel the issue was taken across the border, addressing the people of Pakistan as well.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
And in the process, we get to see a more humane side of Pakistan.
Absolutely.
Apart from what we already know exists, hostility for India and Indians a little bit, right?
Absolutely.
So I feel the movie conveys a powerful message of humanity over country and religion.
Absolutely.
Right?
That is very well put.
Right. And very well portrayed message of mutual respect and tolerance for each other's religion. Right? Without being very preachy. Like other movies in the past have been branded as being too preachy.
Yeah.
Like PK, right? So this wasn't preachy with
like
that respect,
absolutely,
I feel.
Absolutely.
And also, and also I feel it was educational experience for kids growing here to see how the enmity plays out in different scenarios.
Because it's been so many years, but still kahin na kahin that stress is out there, I think, between the two countries.
And how it plays out, like, how getting a visa for other country is
hard.
Easier than getting for each other's
country.
Right?
Absolutely.
And how merely saying you are a Indian on a Pakistani soil can get you thrown into jail for life as a spy.
Absolutely.
Or how helping a Pakistani on Indian soil is unthinkable.
Right?
So all those aspects it brings out. So that was pretty educational educational for my kids. They were amazed that really it does play out in so many little ways also.
Here, actually, I have seen the kids are very innocent. You know, they don't understand the technicalities of the situation.
No, they don't.
But India and Pakistan, mein, I'm sure it's the same thing. India, mein, I can say it, that kids are aware of, ki, okay, there is Pakistan and it is like kind of a neighboring country. But at the same time, we had problem with that country a long time ago. Now, here in this movie, as you said, basically they try to depict those things, but at the same time in a very cordial manner, where they are showing the relationship that वहाँ भी लोग रहते हैं, यहाँ भी लोग रहते हैं, वहाँ भी उनके बॉडी में खून है जो लाल रंग का है, यहाँ पे भी है जो लाल रंग का ही खून है, वहां भी लोग खाते हैं, बच्चे हैं, फैमिली है।
इनफैक्ट इतना कॉमन है कि हमारा खाना भी सिमिलर तरीके का है, पहनावा सिमिलर एक तरीके का है,
रिलीजन है, कल्चर है, जो चीजें हैं, मतलब वहां पे ईद सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, हमारे यहाँ पे दिवाली सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, तो इट्स प्रीटी मच कि सिमिलैरिटीज है जो गोरों से बहुत अलग है, जो हमें लगता है कि हमें ज्यादा क्लोज होना चाहिए rather than being closer to other countries.
It's amazing, and that's exactly the discussion I had with my kids. Now my kids were full of questions.
Yeah.
They were like, if Japan can move past America's bombing and destroying their two cities that caused a damage that was manifested for 2 generations, right? If half the countries in the world can forgive Britain for colonizing and exploiting them.
Absolutely.
Right? So they feel what happened that
between
caused
India
so
and
much
Pakistan.
acrimony between the two countries.
And that too,
and when I tried to
created by these two countries, that was actually caused by British at that time.
Yeah,
you know,
exactly.
But
their divide and rule policy.
The divide and rule policy.
And everything. And so when I tell them, and they say, Mom, worse things have happened in history, right? But to carry it for 70 years, right?
Yes.
So, and in fact, they were saying, why can't India and Pakistan live like America and Mexico? Or America and Canada, right? They are neighbors, and there is just such cordial relationship.
Absolutely. It was ultimately a part of one.
Yeah,
it was one at one point of
Texas
time.
was part of Mexico, and then it became part of America, right?
Right.
So then anyway, and in fact another personal takeaway for me was like I'm a Hanuman devotee, Hanuman Bhakt, and when my kids were babies, I put them to sleep singing Hanuman Chalisa, Sankat Mochan, and all that. So for them, it was they really liked the fact that what does being a Hanuman devotee mean in India? They've seen just me, right? And in this movie, Hanuman Khan is a Salman Khan. Oh my gosh!
Salman Khan is a big Hanuman devotee and a bhakt.
Salman Khan is a Hanuman Bhakt.
Yes, absolutely.
Otherwise, all the Hindu radicals will be on my head. Hanuman Khan bol diya. Oh my god. Okay, so so Salman Khan is a Hanuman Bhakt. So they really enjoyed seeing that in the movie. This song is being played, Sankat Mochan is being played in the backdrop.
Right.
So they found that very interesting.
Absolutely.
That is what Hanuman Bhakt is being all about.
Right.
So that was an interesting take for the kids also.
Absolutely.
But I think I covered 4 movies. I have 4 more, but I think we should take a song break.
Let's go ahead and play the song. Do you have a request, or should I go ahead and play one of those requests?
You know what? We have this hummable Hindi song segment on Desi Diwar that really are just the most soulful, melodious song make it to the list of 2015.
Okay.
So if I would like you to play one from that.
Okay, go ahead.
One, it's from the January release, Khamoshiyan movie.
Khamoshiyan.
And the song is Khamoshiyan.
The title song.
Yeah. Yes. And the singer is Arijit Singh. Yes. It's a beautiful
song. So definitely I will go ahead and let's listen to this track, Khamoshiyan, taken the title song of that movie. And then we will be back with some more discussion with Sonal Kulshrestha from Desi Diwar. We'll be talking about 2000 Bollywood movies. And in the meanwhile, if you have anything to say, anything to input into that, give me a call in the studio. The studio number is 817-468-1220. That is 817-468-1220. Enjoy the Khamoshiyan song, Arijit Singh ji ki आवाज में, featurized on Gurmeet Singh.
खामोशियां आवाज है, तुम सुनने तो आओ कभी, छू कर तुम्हें खिल जाएंगी, घर इनको बुलाओ कभी। बेकरार है बात करने को, कहने दो इनको जरा, खामोशियां तेरी मेरी खामोशियां, खामोशियां लिपटी हुई खामोशियां। क्या उस गली में कभी तेरा जाना हुआ, जहां से जमाने को गुजरे जमाना हुआ। मेरा समय तो वहीं पे है ठहरा हुआ, बताऊं तुम्हें क्या मेरे साथ क्या क्या हुआ।
वेलकम बैक लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, मॉर्निंग चाय दिल से में हमारे साथ कोई हैं। गुड मॉर्निंग।
गुड मॉर्निंग, दिस इज आजम स्पीकिंग।
जी आजम सर, बिल्कुल ठीक। आप बताइए, हाउ आर यू डूइंग?
I'm doing fine, thank you. And just was listening to your program and wanted to say that you guys have picked up a pretty good topic.
Thank you.
And good discussion going on.
Wonderful.
And I wanted to add that when it comes down to tolerance, U.S. is the best in the world. As far as like for example, when Japan attacked Pearl Harbor, they killed 2,000 plus U.S.
Which is today's
soldiers.
day. Which is today's day. Yeah.
Exactly. And so look at when it comes down to tolerance, we all have a lot to learn from America. Actually,
absolutely,
we sure do. That is just so true.
Yes. So I just thought I say these things.
Thank you.
I wish this kind of thank you
Yeah.
so much. I wish this kind of a thought can go into the minds of every Indian and every Pakistani out there also, so that or the governments at least out there. Let me put it that way. The governments out there,
Exactly.
and, they can the people out there, everybody, so that they can take out that feeling of tensionness which is there prevailing there.
And that really needs to be said, I feel. America has a very high level of civilization, like, that civilized behavior, right? That tolerance level, that acceptance.
Yes.
Yeah, that is very
and
true.
every problem, we have problem in our lives and in the countries and in the politics everywhere. But we all can look into the solution with the peaceful solution.
Yes,
that is true.
And that's what I can say. I grew up in U.S. here, and this is my country now. Even though my background is from India, thanks, but America is my country now. I'm an American first.
Absolutely.
Before I can say that I'm Indian or I'm Pakistani or other.
Right.
Or Hindu or
country.
Muslim. Yeah. American first.
Yeah. So I'm an American first, and then peaceful solution is the way to go.
Absolutely.
And then just with everything, and it can solve the world and make a world of difference as far as what we can do together. Working together. Thank you so much for letting me come on the air and express my opinion.
No, definitely.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts. It really needs to be said.
Thank you so much, Azam sir. Thank you so much. Truly appreciate your call. 817-468-1220 is the studio number. Chaliye Sonal, let's continue with our 2015 Bollywood discussion. And what do you think is the number 5 movie?
Okay, number 5 movie that I have, chronological order, of course, is Drishyam. This was an August release.
Yes,
right?
yes.
And there is more to the movie than the thrill of a perfectly woven plot, right? It is an opportunity to have at-length discussions with your daughters and sons.
Acha.
First, to tell your daughters to be always vigilant, to not allow any boy to take pictures or videos of you.
Okay.
To do your best to not be in a situation where your privacy is compromised.
Okay.
Right? But if that does happen, whether knowingly or unknowingly, it is important to look your daughter in the eye and tell her it is not the end of the world.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Tell her that her body is just like any other body. Tell her to not let herself be blackmailed by it, right? To tell her to hold her head high under any circumstances, to not be embarrassed, or worse, to not be shamed by the wrong actions of others.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
And also at the same time, turn around and tell your son to never take a girl's picture or a video without her permission.
Without her permission,
right?
Yes.
And if you don't teach your son to be a gentleman, then I believe others will teach him that bad deeds lead to ugly outcomes.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely.
So let this movie be a lesson for all parents, parents of daughters, parents of sons, parents of both.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So, and the number 6 movie that we have is Meet the Patels.
Oh,
have you seen
I love
it?
that. Yes, I have seen that movie. That's a beautiful movie.
This one provides ample topics to discuss.
Oh my God!
Right?
Yes.
The passion, the desire, and the love that drive parents to do or say the things that they do, right? And the importance of continuing the family traditions, the culture that you appreciate yourself as a child while you are growing up, right? And the biggest takeaway from the movie is the importance of instilling in your child the confidence of conveying their own thoughts, their own beliefs, their own ideas to the parents.
That's what we talked about, that there should be an open relationship between a child and a parent, you know, so that they do not face those problems what Meet the Patels kids did it. Right.
And they should be able to convey all that, and they and knowing that it'll be well received by the parents also.
Absolutely.
Right? So that was the takeaway from that movie. And then 7th is Tamasha. We have come November now.
Yes.
That was last month's release. And we have seen many movies that tackle the issue of parents' expectations from their child with respect to grades and career. Right? I'm thinking of 3 Idiots, Dil Dhadakne Do. We talked about it. But this one literally enlightens you.
Achha.
It jolts people on both sides of the issue to think, to rethink, to analyze, and, you know, make that decision, discuss, pledge for the people you love, for the sake of the people you love. So for parents to listen to what the kids are saying and to understand what they are not. And then for the kids to say what they want to say in that many words to the parents. And then again for the parents to create that atmosphere
so that the kids
that
are able to
enables kids to speak their mind, right? Openly and freely, right? So that is a very important message that the movie really conveys beautifully. It's like Imtiaz Ali's perception like an artist. It's like an art piece, the movie. It's really worth seeing.
So it's worth even seeing with the kids.
In fact, it's a must-see with your teenage kids. Younger kids might find it boring even. And the depth might be a little lost on them. But with your teenage kids, definitely go, see, discuss, come back, talk more, discuss more, analyze more, see what their views are, give your views and opinions. Right? Just open up that channel wide, that channel of communication.
Right? Wonderful.
And the last in the list is Bajirao Mastani. That is yet to release next month.
Yes.
But you know, that movie I feel, because first of all, it is a historical depiction of Bajirao, who was a Maratha warrior Peshwa.
Right.
And his love with Mastani, who happened to be his second wife.
Right.
And, you know, I think we need to watch movies like that just to soak in the ancient culture, the ancient tradition, the ancient attire. And there's even Indian ancient form of martial arts. And in this, I believe
movie?
it's called Kalari Payattu. I might be pronouncing it wrong though. So it is that, the sword and the shield.
Oh, okay,
and then there is Indian classical dance, Kathak,
right,
which is very much a part of our today's tradition and culture also.
Right.
So yeah, it is definitely a must watch just to soak in all of that.
All of that culture.
Within
exactly.
Us and just, it's a perfect way of educating your kids on history, on traditions, on culture, right?
Absolutely.
What better way? No amount of book reading can do that, right?
Right.
So yeah, those were our 8 movies that fit the bill for us. Our top 8 picks.
Wonderful. That is a beautiful depiction. And yes, इसमें ही अब हम अगर बात करें कि हमारे पास लेटेस्ट गाने की कोई फरमाइश करें तो हम बोले तो दबंग रीलोडेड आजम सर, आपका गाना मैंने सेव किया हुआ है. हाउ अबाउट आई प्ले टुमारो ड्यूरिंग माय नॉर्मल शो आवर्स. अभी आपने प्रेम लीला का गाना you requested. Sonal, is it okay if I go ahead and play Prem Leela ka song?
Sure, that
would
be good.
Let's go ahead and listen to the title track of Prem Leela. It's a beautiful track. Of course, it's a 2015 की movie है, latest movie आई हुई है, and it definitely suits or fits in our
perfect
theme as well.
Absolutely.
So how about we go ahead and listen to this track taken from Prem Leela, Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. Beautiful song. Enjoy this one right here on the airwaves of Radio Hot Pepper 1220 AM.
तो किसी के पैर हमारे दोनों चलते हैं.
छबीला सीखेगी छोरी और सीखेगा छबीला. रामसिया की देखो निराली है प्रेम लीला, प्रेम लीला. जैसे राधा श्याम से सीता मिली राम से, जैसे राधा श्याम से सीता मिली राम से, सबको अपना प्यार यूं मिल जाए आराम से. सबको अपना प्यार यूं मिल जाए आराम से. सुन छोटू और पप्पू, राजू गोपाल गप्पू, तुमको भी मिले सपनों की रानी. मीना हो रज्जो हो या हो वो शीला, मीना हो रज्जो हो या हो वो शीला. प्रेम लीला, प्रेम लीला.
रावण के सारे बात करेंगे जीरो, मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम हमारे हीरो.
किसी के हाथ चलते हैं तो किसी के पैर हमारे दोनों चलते हैं.
हमारे भी यहाँ दोनों ही बोल रहे हैं. बिल्कुल हमारे साथ हैं right here on the airwaves
सोनल कुलश्रेष्ठा
फ्रॉम देसी दीवार. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, सोनल कुलश्रेष्ठा हमारे शो पे आती हैं वंस अ मंथ, एवरी फर्स्ट मंडे ऑफ द मंथ में आती हैं. एंड शी ब्रिंग्स डिफरेंट इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक लेकर आती हैं, कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग बातें करती हैं, एंड ऑफ कोर्स हमारी इंक्रीज करती हैं जनरल नॉलेज को. सो राइट नाउ वी टॉपिक इज 2015 बॉलीवुड मूवीज के बारे में हमने बात की, और उन्होंने हमारे साथ शेयर किया 8 मूवीज जो बिल्कुल हटके हैं, बिल्कुल डिफरेंट हैं. और अगर आप लोगों ने इनमें से कोई मूवी नहीं देखी है तो डेफिनेटली मौका है आपके पास, जरूर उनको देखें. 8174681220 फॉर एनी रिक्वेस्ट यू हैव आउट ऑफ 2015 मूवी की, बिकॉज हम 2015 को बाय बाय जल्दी से बोलने वाले हैं और 2016 को वेलकम करने वाले हैं. तो 2015 के जाते जाते कुछ खूबसूरत नगमे, कुछ खूबसूरत गाने. इफ यू हैव एनी रिक्वेस्ट, एनी डेडिकेशन, डू गिव मी अ कॉल in the studio 8174681220. All right, Sonal, let's proceed with our discussion. How about some interesting tidbits, regarding हमारे Bollywood starring के बारे में? कुछ उसके बारे में बात करें?
Right.
I love talking about stars.
I know. So I picked the top 4. Of course, there would be others, and if your listeners want to share some, that would be really interesting. But first, did you know Salman Khan has become a singer now?
Yeah.
Did you know that? Yeah, right?
Hero का गाना.
He's song, yeah, hero का गाना. मैं हूँ hero, right? मैं हूँ hero तेरा.
Yes.
And he's done a very good job, I must say it,
yes.
right?
मुझे लगता था कि यार ये हर हीरो अपनी टांग घुसा जाता है अपने सिंगिंग टैलेंट के और उनको आता है नहीं.
I know.
But he did a good job.
He did a good job. I was really surprised.
Absolutely.
I didn't know he can sing that well.
You're
Number
right.
2, we all know Priyanka Chopra continues her international ventures.
She does.
This time on American TV, right? So we have all seen her latest TV show Quantico. Quantico, right? It's plays on ABC every Sunday. So if you haven't seen it yet, do catch it. It should be there on demand also.
And
if you
of
want
course,
to
she's
catch
also one of the singers जिनकी आवाज मेरे को बहुत अच्छी लगती है. She's beautiful singer.
She is a very good singer. She has done 3 releases in fact before this, and that's why I say it continues her international ventures. Right? She is definitely a global face of Bollywood. Right?
Absolutely.
So third on the list, this year we watched Irfan Khan play a very mainstream role in Jurassic Park series, right?
Oh, really?
Oh, you have not seen that?
No.
Okay, so he is the owner of the Jurassic World. In the movie Jurassic World.
Okay.
So his name is Simon Masrani.
Oh, I didn't
And
know that.
there is no explanation given regarding his accent, his heritage, and that is what makes it so in tune with today's time, I feel.
Okay.
Right. Because Irfan Khan with this movie has literally paved the way for all the people of South Asian descent who dream to, be an actor.
Right.
Right. And he looks confident with himself, in his skin, with his accent. He really comes across as a very confident person.
And you know what? Now you talk about it. Actually, now I'm recalling. I think I have seen that movie, Jurassic World. में मैंने देखी
Chris Pratt है ना?
Yes. Now I remember. Yes,
right.
And he did a fabulous job. He did, I think, a villainous role, right? It was.
No. He's not a villain. He's the owner of the Jurassic World.
He was, but I think he was responsible for the they were trying to do some kind of a cloning or mutant.
See, ये सब है, and that is not, of course, that is what.
A little bit of that aspect, because he was trying to mix out the genes of kind of dinosaurs with the dangerous kind of animals. I think something like that.
And that is what the whole Jurassic series have been about, right?
Absolutely.
So this was the 4th in the series, and I felt, he has been in Hollywood productions before too, like Life of Pi. But in that he was an Indian.
He was an Indian.
So in all the previous movies, he was shown to be an Indian of Indian descent, and in this movie, there's no explanation given.
Right.
And yet he's like very confident with his accent in his own skin, and that is the aspect that I like about it.
Right.
Very mainstream role.
Absolutely.
Right.
Absolutely.
And the 4th, we saw Nargis Fakhri. In a mainstream role also in the American spy movie called The Spy, right, this year. So with this film, the 35-year-old American-born actress makes her debut, right? And you've probably seen her in other Hindi movies like Rockstar, Madras Cafe.
Right, Madras Cafe.
Madras Cafe from 2013. Right. Main Tera Hero 2014. So congratulations to her for bagging a Hollywood movie. Now, not to say that going Hollywood is a testimony of, our looks or talent or anything.
Not. I think it's just a recognition, another feather in their cap, kind of.
And it certainly helps in making our Desi look more global.
Right? Absolutely.
So now all we need is a few young men from Indian scene, right? We know we have Irfan Khan and others.
Yes,
but
definitely.
No Shah Rukh Khans or Salman Khans yet.
I don't think so. And Shah शाहरुख खान का एक बार का कोट मेरे को आई थिंक आई रिमेम्बर आल्सो, ही सेड दैट ही विल नेवर अपीयर इन हॉलीवुड मूवीज।
ओह रियली?
अब ये पता नहीं उनको ऑफर नहीं आ रही तो इसलिए उन्होंने
sour grapes, right? It could well be a case of sour grapes.
So I don't know. He said I will never appear in Hollywood. So that's what his statement was.
With that ends our 4 top tidbits.
Okay.
Desi Bollywood tidbits.
Yeah, I like to talk about stars. So that was wonderful discussion and good
and then
quick
I guess
recap.
Time for another hummable song.
Yes, definitely. Which one do you think would be a good one to
How
play
about
right now?
Tu Hai Ki Nahi? This is Ankit Tiwari's song from the movie Roy, which was a Feb release from this year.
अच्छा, तू है कि नहीं? Yes, I remember that.
Or in fact, there's another one. There's a April release, Tu Jo Hai.
No, definitely we'll play that because I think Ankit Tiwari हमारे यहाँ पे concert भी हुआ था. हमने Radio Hot Pepper ने was a proud sponsor of that exclusive.
He was very good.
He was really rocking.
Very
and
talented
he
guy.
sang that song and I love playing that song. So how about definitely we will go ahead and play that song and फिर दूसरे गाने की भी बारी आ जाएगी. So let's go ahead and listen to this one taken from the film Roy, Ankit Tiwari की आवाज में, featuring रणबीर कपूर and Jacqueline Fernandez. तू है कि नहीं?
मुझसे ही आज मुझको मिला दे, देखूं आदतों में तू है कि नहीं, हर सांस से पूछ के बता दे, इनके फासलों में तू है कि नहीं, मुझसे ही आज मुझको मिला दे, देखूं आदतों में तू है कि नहीं, हर सांस से पूछ के बता दे, इनके फासलों में तू है कि नहीं, मैं आस पास तेरे और मेरे पास तू है कि नहीं, तू है कि नहीं, तू है कि नहीं, रास्ता वो तू लगे, नींद से जो आँख का है वास्ता वो तू लगे, तू बदलता वक्त कोई खुशनुमा सा पल मेरा, तू वो लम्हा जो न ठहरे आने वाला कल मेरा, मैं आस पास तेरे और मेरे पास तू है कि नहीं, तू है कि नहीं, तू है कि नहीं, तू है कि कि तू ही है वजह, बिन तेरे मैं कुछ नहीं हूँ, मेरा होना बेवजह, धूप तेरी ना पड़े तो धुंधला सा मैं लगूं, आके सांस दे मुझे तू ताकि जिंदा मैं रहूं। मैं आस पास तेरे और मेरे पास तू है के
अंकित तिवारी तू है कि नहीं है, बिल्कुल है, क्यों नहीं है। लेकिन दैट वाज अ ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग। आप सुन रहे थे रॉय मूवी से। वेलकम बैक लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, मॉर्निंग चाय दिल से में आप सबका स्वागत है आरजे नीतू के साथ। और हमारे साथ हैं देसी दीवार की फाउंडर एंड ऑफ कोर्स द सीईओ, लेट मी पुट इट एनीवे हाउ यू गाइस वांट टू से, सोनल कुलश्रेष्ठा on airways. Good morning Sonal once again and welcome to Radio Hot Pepper.
Thank you once again Neetu.
And we have a caller right now. Good morning sir, good morning.
This is फारूक
जी। फारूक सर बताइए।
आज सुनाए कैसे हैं?
बिल्कुल ठीक। बताइए आपको कैसा लगा 2015 की हमारी सारी मूवीज के बारे में बातचीत चल रही है।
ब्यूटीफुल। और वो कहते हैं कि हमें भी वो कहते हैं कि सीखने का और नॉलेज का हमें मिलता है आप लोगों की बातों से। इज ब्यूटीफुल। एंड मैं वो अभी इरफान खान की बात हो रही थी, उसने अभी एक मूवी थी जो मैं नाम भूल गया, जो इंग्लिश में बनी थी, वो सारा कोलकाता में बनी थी।
कोलकाता में
तो
इंग्लिश की
जो फैमिली मूवी थी, जैसे कि वो शादी करने के लिए उधर जाता है।
वो 2015 की मूवी है?
हाँ, ये रिसेंटली।
अच्छा, really?
दैट वन वो क्या तबू के साथ उसकी मूवी थी।
तो
अच्छा, ओ या मुझे भी याद आ रही है,
मुझे नाम नहीं याद आ रहा उसका, बट
नेमसेक की बात कर रही हूँ।
ग्रोन इन अमेरिका, व्हाट हैपेंड देम, हाउ डू दे चेंज, यू नो, देयर सम काइंड ऑफ।
आप नेमसेक की बात कर रहे हैं क्या? वो नॉवेल में जो बेस्ड है, नेमसेक नॉवेल में बेस्ड है। ओके, आई थिंक वो 2014 की है शायद।
या मकबूल तो नहीं है ना? नहीं,
मकबूल
आई थिंक मूवी का नाम भी नेमसेक ही है।
तकरीबन 6 माह पहले आगे से 15 की है।
ओके,
ओह अच्छा।
दैट इज, मुझे उसके अंदर एक सीन है बहुत अच्छा लगा। जब वो शादी के लिए जाता है तो वो प्रपोजल के लिए जाता है एक घर के अंदर, तो वो लड़की जब बाहर से आती है तो देखती है कि एक किसी मैन के वो जूते पड़े हुए हैं, तो वो जूतों के अंदर अपना पैर डाल देती है। और खड़े होकर बड़े अंदाज से वो बाहर की तरफ देखती है खिड़की की तरफ, यानी कि वो प्रूव किया कि वो एक्सेप्ट कर लेती है कि ठीक है,
राइट।
दैट इज अ वेरी नाइस मूवी। और रिसेंटली भी 2 मूवी आगे पीछे रिलीज हुई है इरफान खान की। इट्स अ वेरी यूनिक डिफरेंट पर्सन।
वेरी नाइस। हिज मूवीज आर ऑलवेज यूनिक एंड बहुत अच्छी होती हैं उनकी मूवी, एंड वो बहुत अच्छे रोल्स भी एक्सेप्ट करते हैं।
जस्ट लाइक अ ग्लैमराइज और जस्ट लाइक यू नो डिफरेंट जस्ट आर्ट स्टाइल, ड्रामा और स्टेज, सम लाइक दैट मूवी।
जी बिल्कुल, एब्सोल्युटली।
और आपके आने का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। हमें आपसे बहुत सीखने को मिलता है, नॉलेज, बहुत अच्छी बात है।
थैंक यू सो मच, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
तो एक गाना नीतू जी मेरी तरफ से
बताइए,
सब सुनने वाले के लिए। वो जो गाना है, ये यारियां का गाना है, यारियां वे।
ठीक है।
मैंने 2 दिन पहले उसको गौर से सुना बैठकर। तो पहले बहुत दफा सुना, लेकिन उसके अंदर जो उसने बैकग्राउंड के अंदर जब वो गाया है यारियां वे, इट्स वेरी लाजवाब, वेरी नाइस उसने लगाया है आवाज। और उसके साथ उसने उसको थोड़ा सा पियानो का टाइप दिया, उसके बाद में सरंगी का थोड़ा सा पीस हो जाए। That is the best, beautiful.
आप वही वाला कह रहे हो ना, अल्लाह वारियां, वही वाला गाना ना, यारियां मूवी से?
नहीं, यारियां वे। और कहते हैं बारिश, कहते हैं जिसके साथ बहुत बारिश का शुरू होता है,
बारिश से शुरू होता है। अच्छा वो वाला, ठीक है ठीक है।
या उससे बैकग्राउंड के अंदर आता है यारियां वे,
यारियां वे। हाँ वही मैं कह रही थी, मेरे को यही कंफ्यूजन था। मैं कहा क्योंकि यारियां वे मूवी का नाम भी था और गाना भी उसमें से था।
मूवी का नाम भी यारियां था।
तो इसलिए मैं कहा थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग था कि कौन सा वाला गाना आप कहना चाह रहे हो। ठीक है, डेफिनेटली। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू फॉर कॉलिंग।
8174681220 is the studio number, and you know what, Sonal, I have found a clipping of that scene जो फारूक भाई अभी बात कर रहे थे, जिसमें तब्बू उनके इरफान खान के शूज पहनती है. So how about I go ahead and play? I don't know how much dialogue is going to be in this clipping, but it's a 2-minute video, so let's go ahead and try to listen to this one.
Sure.
तो इस वक्त I can see कि तब्बू ने इस वक्त उनके जूते ऑलरेडी पहने हुए हैं. And this is a scene when Tabu is actually coming and meeting Irfan Khan for the very first time, and that is the arranging वाला scene है उनका, और उन्होंने already उनके जूते पहन के try कर लिए.
My son has been living abroad for the last 2 years. He's in New York. He's doing his PhD in the field of fiber optics.
Our daughter's best subject is English. Oshima ma, আমাদের একটা decide করে শোনা না.
I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high o'er vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd,
a host of golden daffodils. This was my father's favorite poem. He used to read a lot, my father. Osho ma, Osho, please. My child, have you ever flown in a plane? Will you be able to go halfway across the world, live in a cold city with freezing winters, বাড়ি ঘর তো ছেড়ে বা আমার থেকে দূরে তুমি থাকতে পারবে তো মা?
উনি থাকবেন না?
So that was a scene जब एक लड़की के बीच में कश्मकश होती है और लड़का देखने के लिए उसे आता है, और वो धीरे धीरे ऐसे ऐसे उठा के नजरें उसे देखने की कोशिश करती है. लड़का भी कोशिश कर रहा होता है पर उसे भी शर्म आ रही होती है, and he is not able to look directly at the girl. And फिर जो एंड में था वो दूसरी भाषा में था, बंगाली में, तो I will try to translate it for my listeners. Basically उसमें जो father of the son था, he was asking the girl कि will you be able to live in the far away country all by yourself, won't you feel lonely about it? And she said ki if he's going to be there with me, I will be able to live. So that was the thing. So beautiful clipping. Thank you so much फारूक भाई इस clipping को हमारे साथ share करने के लिए. तो चलिए सोनल, इससे पहले कि मैं फारूक भाई का गाना लगाऊं और उससे हमारे शो की एंड करूं, how about let's talk about a little bit celebrity controversies. अब रेडियो है और 2 RJs बात कर रहे हैं, we have to talk about controversies. So let's talk about a little bit celebrity controversies right now. कोई 3-4 maybe controversies अगर आपके दिमाग में हो कुछ फटाफट that you can talk to our listeners about it.
Sure, I picked the top 4, sorry. So the first one is of course the Maggie rigmarole, right? High lead content was found in Maggie in early June, and caught in the center of the controversy were the 3 celebrities who endorsed it. Amitabh Bachchan, Madhuri Dixit and Preeti Zinta.
Okay.
Right? Several states banned Maggie, and the Future Group 700 food outlets including Big Bazaar took Maggie off the shelves, right? And of course it has since been cleared, and people are back to enjoying their favorite 2-minute noodles. Right?
Yes.
So number 2, talking of celebrity endorsements, back in April, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan found herself in the middle of a racism debate.
Okay.
After her Kalyan Jewelers print ad came out.
Yes.
In which she's seen in a royal avatar, right, sitting in a nice royal chair with a little malnourished looking little black African American boy holding an umbrella behind her.
Okay.
And now that did not go well for
actress
Bees Bahu at all. Yeah, and rightly so, right? Rightly so. That's not what today is about.
Right.
That's not what the current era is about.
Right.
So number 3 is what we have is in November, among other top people, of course, the first SRK and then Aamir Khan expressed their views on increasing intolerance in India. Right? When controversy brewed, while SRK took a no-comment stand, Aamir Khan, to his credit, did choose to explain himself via Facebook page and media interviews.
Yes.
Anupam Kher, in fact, sent out various tweets expressing his views on the topic. Many celebrities and politicians took opposing stance, but Aamir Khan did find support on social media with hashtag I support Aamir Khan trending on Twitter.
Yes.
So we thought for or against the subject must not be dragged on. First, because the conspirators, if any, are only getting more mileage out of it.
Right.
And secondly, this was providing fuel to the radicals on the other side of the fence, the Hindu radicals too. So number 4 that we have is the Salman Khan verdict. Right. Back in May, a sessions court held Salman Khan guilty in the 2002 hit and run case. Where one person was killed and then 4 were seriously injured, right? So he was sentenced to 5 years of imprisonment and he filed with High Court. And the verdict for that is due to be delivered anytime this week, according to the Hindu.
Oh, okay.
So we'll be looking out for some more controversy one way or the other.
One way or the other, which is about to come. Definitely.
Right. So
wonderful. So that was a beautiful discussion, Sonal. Truly appreciated you coming on air and sharing all those wonderful and beautiful thoughts with me and my listeners. Once again, always appreciate that you come on air and bring so much knowledge, so much information. And kahan se lekar aati hain yaar?
Absolutely, Neetu. Thank you so much. A lot of this is actually straight from Desi Diwar. So do visit desidiwar.com.
Definitely we do so. And of course, उसमें और भी आपको बहुत सारी information मिलेगी. And if you have any topic that you want Sonal to bring on air and talk to you guys about it, definitely do send me an email, neetu@radiohotpepper.com, or of course we can talk more about it. 817-468-1220 is the studio number. सुन रहे हैं आप Morning Chai Dil Se RJ Neetu के साथ right here on the airwaves of Radio Hot Pepper 1220 AM. With this is RJ Neetu and Sonal Kulshrestha signing off. लेकिन जाते जाते हम ये बारिश वाला गाना आपके लिए जरूर लगा के जाएंगे फारूक भाई. एंड जो रिक्वेस्ट एंड डेडिकेशंस मैं आज नहीं प्ले कर पाई हूँ, I promise you guys I'll be back tomorrow at 8. We'll play all of them on the airwaves of Radio Hot Pepper 1220 AM. Thank you so much to our sponsors, Parvez Malik of Bizia Commercial Reality, Seema Malik, your CPA, Spicy Cuisine, Business Zoom, Shamala Malik, your attorney at law from Malik Law Firm, Uber Shop in Plano, and Orthopedic Associates. They are located in Flower Mound and Louisville. Take care, ladies and gentlemen, and have a wonderful rest of the day.
चाहता है कितना तुझे खुद मगर नहीं जान सका इस दर्द दिल की सिफारिश अब कर दे कोई यहाँ कि मिल जाए इसे वो बारिश जो भिगा दे पूरी तरह इस दर्द दिल की सिफारिश अब कर दे कोई यहाँ कि मिल जाए इसे वो बारिश जो भिगा दे पूरी तरह। क्या हुआ सर तेरे साथ रह कर न जाने की होश मुझे ना रहा। लफ्ज मेरे थे जुबां पे आके रुके पर हो ना सके वो तेरा ही नाम जले आंखें भी पैगाम ये दे तेरी नजर का ही ये असर है मुझ पे जो हुआ। इस दर्द दिल की सिफारिश अब कर दे कोई यहाँ कि मिल जाए इसे वो बारिश जो भिगा दे पूरी तरह। इस दर्द दिल की सिफारिश अब कर दे कोई यहाँ कि मिल जाए इसे वो बारिश जो भिगा दे पूरी तरह।